car accidents can be stressful and overwhelming, and dealing with the aftermath can feel like an uphill battle. And one of the most pressing concerns for many individuals is how to secure a rental car while their vehicle is being repaired. This article aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of the process involved in hiring a car after an accident, including who pays for it, how to get the best deals, and what you should consider before making your choice. The moments immediately following a car accident can be chaotic. It's essential to stay calm and follow these crucial steps. First and foremost, make sure everyone involved is safe. If necessary, call emergency services, take photos of the scene, gather witness information, and exchange insurance details with the other party, contact your auto insurance provider to report the accident, and start the claims process. This is often the most pressing question for those involved in an accident. The answer can vary based on several factors. If you are not at fault, the at-fault party's insurance may cover your rental expenses. This is often the simplest situation, as their insurer may directly reimburse the rental company. If you are at fault, your own insurance policy will determine coverage. Many policies include rental reimbursement, which can cover costs up to a specified amount per day. Review your auto insurance policy to see if it includes rental reimbursement coverage. This can significantly ease the financial burden of renting a vehicle while your own car is repaired. Many rental companies such as Enterprise or Avis work closely with insurance companies and can help explain your options when it comes to billing. They often have processes in place to streamline the rental process for those involved in accidents. Once you've established who is responsible for the rental costs, it's time to secure a vehicle. Here's how. First, choose the right rental company. Not all rental companies are created equal. Research companies that offer specific programs for accident replacements. For instance, companies like Right2Drive in Australia specialise in providing vehicles to those who are not at fault in an accident. Next, look for discounts. Many rental agencies offer discounts for those needing a vehicle after an accident. It's always wise to ask about special rates or promotional offers before making a reservation. Then understand the terms. Be aware of the terms associated with your rental. If your insurance covers a specific daily rate, say $40 a day, ensure the car you select falls within that range to avoid out-of-pocket expenses. Lastly, consider delivery options. Some companies, such as Enterprise, offer pick-up and drop-off services, which can save you time and hassle. Before you finalise your rental, consider the following. First, the duration of the rental. Understand how long you may need the rental car. Ensure that your contract allows for extensions if your vehicle's repairs take longer than expected. Next, insurance and liability. Review the insurance options provided by the rental company. It's crucial to know what is covered in case of further accidents or damage. Then, mileage limits. Some rental agreements may include mileage restrictions. Ensure you understand these limitations, especially if you plan on driving long distances. And finally, the fuel policy. Familiarise yourself with the fuel policy of the rental company. Some require you to return the car with a full tank, while others may provide a full tank and charge you for the fuel you use. Navigating the process of securing a rental car after an accident doesn't have to be daunting. By understanding the roles of insurance, knowing who is responsible for payment and being aware of your options, you can make informed decisions that ease the burden of an unexpected situation. Always remember to ask questions and clarify any uncertainties with your rental company or insurance provider. In the end, the key to a smooth process lies in being proactive and well informed. Accidents are, unfortunately, a part of life, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can turn a challenging situation into a manageable one. Safe travels, and may your next journey be a smooth one.